The following is a release from the People's National Party Media Unit.
Jamaica has slipped even further on the World Press Freedom Index, now ranked 26th out of 180 countries. That's not just a statistic. It's a reflection of something we are all feeling: a growing mistrust between the press and the government, and a creeping autocratic posture by the Holness administration. This is not accidental. It is the result of deliberate actions taken by the government to undermine the role of a free and independent press. Both Prime Minister Andrew Holness and Minister Dr. Dana Morris-Dixon have used their official platforms to discredit reputable media houses and journalists, directing the public away from independent journalism and toward party-controlled channels. That's not just political messaging. That is narrative control. We've seen journalists publicly attacked or dismissed for asking tough but necessary questions. We've seen government members show open hostility to media workers. And instead of engaging with transparency, the government has tried to replace journalistic scrutiny with state-managed messaging. We're also deeply concerned about the use of public funds to flood the media with promotional content that looks more like campaign material than public information. We are not against media houses earning income. They have every right to do so. But taxpayers' money must not be used to promote the image of political figures under the guise of government updates. There are agencies like JIS and PBCJ that are mandated to inform the public. These platforms must be empowered to remain credible and not pushed to become party megaphones. The media landscape is changing, yes. The traditional media is under real pressure from digital disruption and shrinking revenues. But that cannot be used as an excuse to abandon integrity or to serve power instead of the people. Still, the opposition wants to commend the journalists and media houses that have held the line, those who have stayed true to their mission, who continue to ask the hard questions, who challenge excess, and who put country above contracts. Your courage strengthens our democracy, and we see you. As we observe World Press Freedom Day, the PNP renews its call for stronger protections for media workers, for full transparency in government communication spending, and for a national recommitment to press freedom in Jamaica. Because a free press is not a threat to government, it is the foundation of good governance. When leaders fear questions and silence the press, they are not building up Jamaica, they are weakening it.
Visit our website at pnp.org.jm or check us out on Facebook at Jamaica PNP.